Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your IITR username, password, and whether you must use Eduroam or an Institute SSID. Turn on Wi-Fi and disable airplane mode. This ensures your device can detect networks. Once done, scan available networks and select the correct SSID. Make sure you choose the university network, not a similarly named hotspot. I tell you this because selecting the wrong SSID wastes time. Pick carefully and proceed to authentication immediately. Next, focus on authentication and device configuration. Choose WPA2 Enterprise or PEEP and set the inner method to MSHAP2 when asked, because that matches IITR systems. Enter your username exactly as issued and type the password carefully. Small typos break the handshake. If a certificate prompt appears, inspect the issuer and accept the institutional certificate to establish trust. Once accepted, your device negotiates encryption keys and should receive an IP address. If not, move to troubleshooting. To finish, verify connection by checking IP, gateway, and DNS in your network details and load a web page. This confirms successful authentication and routing. If a captive portal opens, log in with IITR credentials and accept terms. Make sure automatic proxy settings are off unless IITR requires them. If you cannot connect, restart Wi-Fi or the device, then forget and re-add the SSID. This clears stale configs. If issues persist, contact IITR IT with device type and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.